In today's video, we're going to dive in to find out how to verify your identity when opening up a live account using proof of identity and proof of address. The screen you see right now is where you upload your proof of identity POI or proof of address POA. Let's talk about proof of identity. When it comes to establishing who you are, official documents like passports and driver's licenses are key. These documents typically contain crucial information such as your name, date of birth, and a unique identification number. They are issued by government authorities and are widely accepted as proof of identity. Now, let's move on to proof of address. This is the documentation that verifies where you live. Common examples of proof of address include utility bills, bank statements, and rental agreements. These documents serve as evidence that you reside at a particular location. That wraps up our video on proof of identity and proof of address. We hope you found this information helpful and informative.